Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Scorpios, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, guys. If you want more clarity, Scorpios, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading. So that is a special reading, guys, that may clear the doubts you have in your situation, Scorpios. So these cards are for your general guidance, general reading for your career and relationship. So let's see what are these cards. We have King of Air, Three of Air and Six of Fire. So Scorpios, in your situation, guys, it may be in your work situation or it may be in your relationship. You are someone who is really talented, skilled, and you are someone with a lot of intelligence, experience, and maybe today you have your circumstances requiring you to make some important choices, important decisions today, and based on the past experience or based on whatever was working for you, you are choosing or making that choice not from your heart but from your head, thinking clearly and having that proper reason for making that choice, and you are making some kind of a difficult choice, guys, today. And also in your situation, guys, though you are experienced, you have a lot of knowledge, certain things are not happening as you expected or as you hoped for. So maybe there may be some delays or suspensions in your work, and however hard you try, what you expect is not happening, and it is giving you discomfort, sadness and stress. And even in your relationship, whatever you expected is not what is happening today, guys, and you are moving towards some kind of transformation. Things are changing in your situation. So some kind of a rejection or a loss you are feeling, it may be a temporary break you are seeing from this person, or maybe because of your honest decision they are moving away, guys. Maybe this person cannot take your honesty anymore or your truth anymore. They want you to be flexible, but when it comes to truth, you are someone who cannot be flexible. So your honest decisions are the reason for some kind of rejection you see in your situation, guys, Scorpios. But you need not worry, guys. Rejection is a way of God's protection. So it is helping us to help ourselves out of much greater difficult situation. You need to understand that. And you are going to be blessed in a unique way. So things are going to transform and you will see better changes happening, great transformation happening in your life, guys, and things much better, which will be much better for you, will reach you. So a better person who will be much more suited for you will approach you, guys, Scorpios. So that is what I see with these cards, Scorpios. Thank you for watching, guys. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Scorpios. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can close your eyes, think about your situation, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep this card aside, so we will see what it is later. Now for this first card, for those who chose this card, it is regeneration. So in your situation, guys, in your life today, our practical living, our life is based on connections and relationship. So no matter what has happened in the past, maybe there has been some kind of ending in your life, some separation or something, some inevitable circumstance has taken you away from this person or taken them away from you. But you need not worry, guys, because there is love after any loss that you have faced, and right now you are in that regeneration, a time for a rebirth in your life today. So you are getting second chances, more authentic, more stronger than what you had before. So you will be able to build a better relationship with someone you love, and destiny is waiting to be fulfilled in wonderful ways for you right now, guys. And you are feeling overwhelmed with love or positive energy. So you have that positive energy surging up in you, waiting to connect with another person. So you need to understand that you are moving towards new opportunities or second chances, a time for a rebirth and new opportunities that are available to you right now in your love situation, or it may be even a situation in your career, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, we have taboos. So with this card, guys, for y'all in your circumstances today, you have met with a person. Maybe this may be someone new. You do not have a deep knowledge about this person, but this person is not what they seem to be, guys. They are hiding something, and they have some hidden motives or hidden past, something that could be dangerous to you and this connection. And if you are feeling curious to know more about this person, you should try to know more about them, find out more about them, guys. And if you have friends who are suggesting you certain things about this person, maybe whatever they heard, you should listen to them. You should not avoid what people who are your soul family, who are really close, who have that truthful concern on you, whatever they are telling you today or trying to tell you today, you should listen to it, guys, because it might take you towards truth. And in your situation, they may have a better clarity or better perception of what is going on, and they are here to help you and protect you. So you need to listen to them. So if you do not have that clarity or trust with this person whom you have met just now, whom you have known only for some time now, you have to be really careful, guys. That is the energy with this card. So you need to trust the people whom you can trust, on whom you have that what to say, or who have that total you have that total confidence. So you need to trust those people. So listen to the family which loves you, and they will be able to see what you cannot see. Maybe you are up close and personal with this person, and your perception will be different from their perception. So you need to listen to the people who love you, guys. And maybe if you do not know this person deeply, you have to be careful with this person, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.